Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft cornbread. To achieve that perfect, tender texture, start with the right ingredients. Fine ground cornmeal is key for a delicate crumb, avoiding a gritty feel. Buttermilk is essential, providing both moisture and a lovely tangy flavor. A small amount of sugar not only enhances the taste, but also helps with beautiful browning. Finally, a combination of baking powder and baking soda will give your cornbread a wonderful, airy lift, making it incredibly soft. Now let's talk about mixing your batter for optimal softness. First, in a large bowl, thoroughly combine all your dry ingredients, ensuring they are evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk together all the wet ingredients until they are well blended. The crucial step is to gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry, mixing just until everything is combined. Overmixing is the enemy of soft cornbread, as it develops gluten, which can result in a tough, dense texture. Aim for a slightly lumpy batter. Baking correctly is vital for a soft interior and a delightful crust. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For that classic crispy edge, use a hot, well-greased cast iron skillet. You can heat it in the oven while preheating. Carefully pour your prepared batter into the hot skillet, filling it about 2/3 full. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden brown, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. To ensure your cornbread reaches its ultimate softness, remember these final tips. Avoid overbaking at all costs. Remove it from the oven as soon as a toothpick comes out clean. For an extra layer of richness and moisture, brush the top with melted butter immediately after it comes out of the oven. Allow the cornbread to cool slightly for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container to maintain that wonderful, soft texture for days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.